It's a 2018 Toyota Camry. Bold, reliable, efficient. If these are adjectives you'd use to describe yourself, then this Camry is the perfect fit for you. It's well equipped with the features you need: smart device navigation, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, power windows, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Of the Camry, Edmunds.com highlights the comfortable and spacious interior with above-average rear seat space, good visibility, and user-friendly interior controls. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.